Hello. How can I help?
Hi, I lost my key card.
That happens sometimes. Don't worry.
I looked everywhere. Nothing.
Which room are you staying in?
Room 412, I think.
May I have your name?
Emily Carter. Here it is.
Thank you. Let me check.
I hope everything is okay.
Yes, I found your reservation.
Oh, that is good news.
May I see your ID?
Yes, here is my driver's license.
Thank you. Everything matches correctly.
Great. I am relieved now.
I will make another key.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Please wait one moment.
Sure, I can wait here.
Your new key is ready.
Does this key work immediately?
Yes, it works right away.
Perfect. That makes me happy.
The old key is canceled.
Oh, that feels much safer.
Keep this one carefully.
I will, I promise.
Enjoy the rest of your stay.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.
I will hold it tightly. Buying fresh bread before work.
Good morning. Welcome to our bakery.
Good morning. Everything smells wonderful.
We baked everything very early.
I need breakfast before work.
We have many fresh choices.
I see. They all look delicious.
What would you like today?
2 butter croissants, please.
Great choice. Anything else today?
Yes. 1 blueberry muffin, please.
Certainly. Fresh muffins came recently.
Nice. Do you have fresh bread?
Yes, sourdough came from the oven.
Oh, is it still warm?
Yes, it is warm now.
Great. I will take 1 loaf.
Would you like sliced bread?
Yes, that is easier. Thanks.
No problem. I will slice it.
Thank you. I appreciate your help.
Your order is ready now.
Wonderful. How much is everything?
The total is $12.
Okay, I will pay by card.
Please tap your card here.
Like this? Is it done?
Yes, your payment was approved.
Perfect. That was very easy.
I will pack everything carefully.
Please, keep the bread separate.
Of course, here are 2 bags.
Thank you. I am ready now.
Have a great day at work.
Thanks. Breakfast will help today.
Taking the wrong city bus.
Good morning. You look confused.
Yes, I think I am lost.
Where are you going today?
Downtown Seattle for my new job.
Which bus did you take?
Bus 24, I think?
Oh, this bus goes north.
Really? That is not right.
Downtown is the opposite direction.
I made a simple mistake.
It happens to many people.
Thanks. I feel better now.
Get off at next stop.
Okay, I will do that.
The correct stop is nearby.
Is it easy to find?
Yes, walk across the street.
Then what should I look for?
Find the blue bus sign.
Oh, I can remember that.
Bus 16 stops there.
Great. That is my bus.
Do you have your ticket?
Yes, it is in my pocket.
You can use it again.
Really? I do not pay again?
No, it's still valid.
That is wonderful. Thank you.
Check the bus number first.
Yes, I will be careful.
Have a good first day.
Thanks, I will make it.
Trying a new dinner recipe.
Ready to cook dinner together?
Yes, I am excited today.
We will make chicken pasta.
Sounds nice. I like pasta.
First, wash the vegetables carefully.
Okay, I will wash them.
Then, cut the tomatoes small.
Like this? Are they fine?
Yes, they look very good.
Great. What comes next?
Slice the chicken into pieces.
I will do that carefully.
Now heat the frying pan.
Okay, the pan is hot.
Add a little cooking oil.
Done. The oil is warm.
Put the chicken inside now.
It smells really good already.
Stir it every minute.
Okay, I will keep stirring.
Add tomatoes and garlic now.
Everything looks colorful. I like it.
Cook the pasta separately, please.
The water is boiling now.
Great. Add the pasta carefully.
Done. I set the timer.
Mix everything together gently.
Wow, it looks delicious now.
Let's serve the dinner.
I will bring 2 plates.
Here is your meal. Enjoy.
Thank you. It tastes wonderful.
Receiving a package from the mail carrier.
Good afternoon. I have your package.
Oh, I wasn't expecting it today.
May I confirm your full name?
Emily Brooks. That is my name.
Thank you. May I see ID?
Yes, here is my driver's license.
Everything matches our delivery record.
That is a relief. Thanks.
This delivery needs your signature.
Okay, where should I sign?
Please sign on this screen.
Like this. Is it clear?
Yes, that looks perfect.
Great, I'm glad.
Here is your package now.
Thank you. It feels heavier today.
Please check the package carefully.
Okay, I will look closely.
Check every side before leaving.
Oh, there is a small mark.
Let me see it, please.
It is only outside, I think.
The box is still sealed.
That is good to know.
Do you see any tears?
No, everything else looks fine.
Then your package is ready.
Wonderful. I cannot wait now.
Enjoy your delivery. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye.
Ordering pizza delivery.
Hello, thanks for calling Pizza House.
Hi, I want to order dinner.
Sure, what would you like?
1 large cheese pizza, please.
Great choice. Any other food?
Yes, garlic bread, please.
Certainly. Would you like drinks?
Oh, yes, 2 orange sodas.
Anything else for tonight?
No, that is everything.
May I have your address?
Yes, it is 245 Oak Street.
Is that in Denver?
Yes, apartment 8B.
Thank you. I have everything.
Good, I was worried.
May I have your phone number?
Yes, it is 555-814-2290.
Perfect. We will call you.
Okay, if you need anything,
How would you like to pay?
I will pay by card.
No problem. Pay at delivery.
Great, that is easy.
Your order will arrive soon.
About how many minutes?
Around 35 minutes today.
Perfect. I am very hungry.
Enjoy your dinner tonight.
Thank you. Have a great evening.
Goodbye. See you next time.
Goodbye. I cannot wait.
Waiting for a delayed hotel room.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our hotel.
Hi, I am checking in today.
Let me check your reservation.
Sure. Thank you very much.
Your room is not ready.
Oh, really? I arrived early.
Housekeeping needs a little time.
I understand. That happens sometimes.
We are cleaning your room.
About how long will it take?
Around 30 more minutes.
Okay, I can wait.
You may use our lobby.
Great. It looks comfortable.
We also have free coffee.
Nice. I would like some.
The cafe is beside reception.
Thank you. I will go there.
Wi-Fi is also available.
Oh, that will help me.
The password is on this card.
Great. I need to check emails.
I will update you soon.
Okay, I will keep it nearby.
Your room should be ready soon.
Ugh, that is good news.
Thank you for your patience.
No problem. I understand.
Enjoy your stay with us.
Thank you. I'm looking forward to it.
Starting the morning at home.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well.
Great. Let's make breakfast together.
Sounds nice. What should we cook?
We have eggs and toast.
Oh, I like both.
I will cook the eggs.
Then I will make toast.
Please pour some orange juice.
Okay, I'll get the glasses.
Breakfast smells really good already.
Yes, I'm getting hungry.
Let's eat before we start.
Great. Everything looks delicious.
After breakfast, we have chores.
Okay, what should we do?
I will wash the dishes.
Then I will clean the table.
Could you vacuum the living room?
Yes, I can do that.
Thank you. That will help.
No problem. We make a good team.
What are your plans later?
I need grocery shopping.
We can go together.
Really? That sounds easier.
Then we can visit the park.
I would like that.
It will be a busy day.
Yes, but it will be fun.
Let's get everything finished.
Okay, let's start now.
Missing a train.
Hello? You seem a little worried.
Yes, I missed my train.
Oh, when was departure?
It was 5 minutes ago. I was late.
That is unfortunate. Don't worry.
I hurried, but not enough.
Let's check the next train.
Okay, I hope it is soon.
The next train leaves soon.
Really? What time does it leave?
It leaves in 30 minutes.
That is not too bad.
You still have plenty time.
Great. I feel much better.
Would you like some coffee?
Yes, that sounds nice.
The cafe is over there.
Maybe. I will buy a snack.
There is also free seating.
Perfect. I can relax there.
Keep your ticket ready.
I have it right here.
Good. Listen for announcements too.
Okay, I will pay attention.
Your platform is number 6.
Thanks. I almost forgot that.
The train is arriving now.
Oh, that was quick.
Please board through this door.
Thank you. I made it this time.
Have a safe trip.
Thanks. Have a wonderful day.
Correcting a coffee shop order.
Hello. How is your drink today?
Excuse me, I think it is wrong.
Oh, what seems incorrect?
I ordered hot coffee, not iced.
I am sorry about that.
It is okay. Mistakes happen sometimes.
Thank you for understanding.
I just wanted the hot one.
Of course, I will remake it.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
It will take 3 minutes.
Okay, I can wait here.
Would you like to sit?
Yes, that sounds comfortable.
I will bring your drink.
Thanks. That is very kind.
Your fresh coffee is ready.
Oh, it smells wonderful now.
Please check it first.
Yes, this is my order.
Is everything correct now?
Yes, it is perfect.
I'm glad to hear that.
Thank you for fixing it.
You are very welcome.
Your service is excellent.
We are happy to help.
I will come back again.
We look forward to seeing you.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Enjoy your coffee.